Hello you guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Daniela for those of you who are new here, and today's video is actually very unexpected. So tomorrow I do have my haircut appointment, and I'm not supposed to go in with my hair in a bun, and I've literally had my hair in a sleek back bun this whole weekend, so I have to do it just so she can cut it tomorrow. So we're gonna do that today. Now, I already brushed out my curls. Not my curls. I brushed out my hair because it wasn't really curly because my hair was in a sleek back bun. So this is what it looks like. My hair is pretty much detangled. I'm honestly just going to go wet it and use a conditioning wash or a co-wash, whatever you have, to kind of get rid of any product that I already have in my hair. So we can reset it a little bit, and yeah, so this is what we're working with. If you're interested, just keep watching. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below for more videos like this. I would really appreciate it. So let's hop right back into the video. I'm not going to film this part, but I thought I'd just show you guys what product I'm using. So I'm honestly just going to wet my hair and then detangle using this Curlsmith conditioning, what is it? Curl quenching conditioning wash. This is usually what I use to co-wash, or for days like this where I just kind of want to remove any little bit of product that I may have in my hair, so that way I don't have to wash my hair with shampoo or anything like that. It's like a mild cleanser basically. So that's what I'll be using today. So we're just gonna skip to after I do this whole thing. Okay, I'm back, and the water's literally dripping down my neck. I didn't even use a towel, but I'll be fine. Okay, so that took all of maybe 5 minutes. My hair, like I said, was already detangled because it was like a really sleek back bun, so all I literally needed to do was just run my wet brush through it. So literally I just used the conditioning wash to kind of get rid of any leave-in conditioner, any gel, edge control, anything that I had in my hair. I have a haircut in the afternoon and a little bit of a content day happening in the morning, so ideally I want light and airy hair so my hairstylist won't struggle combing through my hair while she's cutting it. But I want a lot of definition, not a lot, but I want at least some sort of definition for the morning so I can take some bomb pictures. So I've decided that I will be using the Curlsmith Weightless Air Dry Cream and then the Hydro Style Flexi Jelly. The reason for this little combination is because the air dry cream is typically for looser curl types, so usually I use this when I want a lot more volume. Flexi Jelly is also not like a super thick gel, so I was thinking that these two will give me bomb curls tomorrow and still be light enough for my hairstylist to comb through. So let's see. I'm gonna put this to the test. All right. And I'm also not like gonna section my hair or anything. I'm literally just gonna coat my hair as best as I can. My hair doesn't have to be perfect. Like I'll fix anything I need to fix in the morning. All right. So my hair was dripping wet, and it made it a lot easier to kind of distribute the product through my hair. I'm just like finger combing through my hair to get any like small knots out right now, and focusing on distributing some of the product on my crown area because that's always like the area that I feel like gets neglected the most for me, especially when I'm rushing doing my hair like this. I don't even know why I'm rushing because like I literally have nothing to do for the rest of the day, so there's really no reason for me to rush. Okay, I feel like this is good. And now we're gonna go in with the Flexi Jelly, and I'm just gonna like lightly coat my hair. I'm not gonna do anything crazy. I literally just put gel on just to add extra shine. So far so good. No frizz. Hair is very, very, very coated. Honestly, I feel like I might go in with a microfiber towel and like squeeze out any of the excess because I feel like my hair is very, very coated, but we'll see. I'm gonna go ahead and diffuse and I'll show you guys the results in a second. Hey you guys, so it is the next day. I got sidetracked yesterday, but this is day 2 hair. I am enjoying it. The only thing is that with these products I could not do like a middle part. So I've noticed that when I'm in the situation and I'm in dire need of a haircut, some products work fine with my hair and I can do the ooh, I have a sneeze. Some products work fine and I can do the middle part, but other products don't, and I'll have to do the side part. So with these products I had to do the side part, but I'm not mad at it. I'm enjoying it. My hair is light and airy. It is a little bit frizzy, but that's because 1, it's day 2 hair, and 2, I like fluffed a lot. But yeah, these are the results of today's wash and go. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Leave any questions you have down below. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!